My name is Ewald Steiner. I'm Business Director Development and for LEIPA Flexibles. LEIPA Flexible is a company which is founded already in the 60s, so many years ago, more than 60 years of experience. It was a forward integrated company for our mother company LEIPA, who produced at that time virgin fiber papers, and we added like functional properties in terms of barrier against moisture, sealing properties. So this was the starting point of our flexibles. And during the 60 years, of course, we developed different other processes in order to produce packaging concepts, compounds for the food, pharma, and even the industrial industry applications. The presentation was more or less just a historic backlash to see where we come from. And the main topic was, of course, sustainability. As we have a lot of experience in the fast-moving consumer good industry, also specific in the food industry, we know how strong this impact will be in the future, how important it is for the society, for the waste management, to create the sustainable packaging solutions which fits to the European Green Deal, the recycling. And this is one part, and out of that experience we have now developed new grades on paper-based as well as on film-based for the medical industry, where we think this is a starting point for solutions without complex composites which cannot recycle in the future. I can definitely highlight our process. It's extrusion, coating and lamination. It's a very specific technology. It's quite unique here in Europe, where we, instead of using classical adhesive systems, polymer systems in order to combine different substrates. That means we have no problems with chemical byproducts, with primary aromatic amines. So we just work with clearly polymers. Most of them are anyway European Pharmacopoeia approved. That means our laminate structures are 100% sustainable in that sense, from the recycling point, but also from the regulation point, absolutely usable for any medical purpose. It's really an excellent organized organization. It's very well, even personally coached. So we had a lot of opportunity to get into network discussions with possible future clients, but also with existing clients. So I would say a big applause to all the organizations and the many ladies who helped us a lot by making this Congress to a success.